Nagbabalik tayo dito sa Kababayan Today. If you are just joining us on our show, kausap natin si Francis Collado, who is the Executive Director of the Visual Communications Film Festival that is happening. They opened last night and they're going for another 7 more days. And napaka-exciting kasi part of the film festival are our culture. They are showcasing Filipino stories. And it's so exciting because we have filmmakers from the Philippines that are going to be showcasing their work. So Francis, let's talk about, first of all, he took a 15-year hiatus.
Right.
If you're Filipino and you know about Philippine cinema, you know this name. Carlito Sigornreina. I mean, he is a master filmmaker, and I certainly grew up watching his films, such as Hihintayin Kita sa Langit. His film called
Hari ng Tondo, or
Hari
Where I
ng
Am
Tondo,
King.
Where I Am King, is going to be showcased.
Right.
Let's give the details for this.
Yeah, so we invite you mga kababayan to our Philippine Cinema Night this Wednesday, April 29th at CGV Cinemas, and we're going to kick off our night with Hari ng Tondo, and we're very excited. You know, it garnered a lot of awards at Cinemalaya, and it's one of our, you know, very highly guarded international films that we're bringing over.
Yes, and I'm very excited. We will be showing you the trailer a little bit later on. Pero this is a stellar cast. I'm talking about Robert Arevalo and, you know, Bembol Rocco, and obviously a lot of other, you know, upcoming actors. But what's interesting is the fact that Rafa Sigornreina, who's starring in the film, is the son's director, who I recently got to watch on stage for a musical in the Philippines. And so this is not the only Philippine film that you are showing. What is the next one?
So after that, we have that thing called Tadhana, or that thing called Meant to Be, depending where you're at. But it's a love story. So it's a good ending to that night for back-to-back in terms of the films.
Yes, and a woman filmmaker,
yes,
diba?
Yes.
Si Antoinette, I believe.
Jadione.
Yes, Jadione is has directed this film, and she credits actually the filmmaker Joyce Bernal, who is another Philippine kababaihan na director sa Pilipinas. So if you're not doing anything on that Wednesday, the 29th, I will be there because I can't wait to see all the films. It's a great opportunity for the community to get together, watch some amazing films. But that's not the only thing, because we have a lot of other short films from Filipino Americans.
Right, and then, you know, again, echoing our Filipino-American experience, and very generational. So we have a lot of, you know, films that can be for our grandparents or parents, but also have a lot of films for our, you know, our Filipino-Americans here. And we're very proud of our Filipino-American filmmakers that we're having at the Los Angeles Asian Pacific Film Festival. And we're showing a few of their shorts, and one of them is RJ Lozada, Distance Between, and Rian Paz Bergado. And we're very proud of these filmmakers because they actually went through our program, which is Armed with a Camera Fellowship through Visual Communication. So,
wow. Okay, wonderful. So when you have fellowships like that, you got to come back and let us know, so we can make a call to the community to be a part of it, because it's people like, you know, it's programs like this that really hone the talent of the younger generation, yeah? Okay, so it's going to be a marathon of Filipino film on Wednesday, the 29th. I will be there. Please, sumama naman kayo para magkakilala tayo. We can talk about the film afterwards. It's going to be a marathon because it's one after the other.
Yes.
So, Carlito Sigornreina's film will be starting at 6:45. And this is going to be at Koreatown. Tapos, pagkatapos nun, on right after the screening for that thing called Tadhana.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Well, Francis, I'm so glad that you stopped by Kababayan today to talk about the VC Film Festival, or Visual Communications Film Festival. We hope that you come back again.
We will,
And it's a very exciting time because, you know, so much film is going on. If I were you, I would get your tickets now because it does sell out, doesn't it?
It is. So please go online. We're almost about to sell out.
Yeah.
And please don't wait till the last minute. And
Yes.
please, no Filipino time, and we start right on time.
Yeah, that's the most important thing. Francis, thank you so much
Thank you
for being
so
here.
much.
Pagbalik natin sa Kababayan Today, we'll be showing you the trailers of the films that we mentioned for Filipino Night, April 29. Magbabalik po kami.